Hello all, it's Susie again. We are going to be making an M&M microwave cookie. We need some simple ingredients. I'm going to go over them as I make it. I have my bowl, a spoon, and everything else I need. So it says in a small bowl mix together the sugar and butter with a fork or a spoon. So we're going to do that. I have a tablespoon of butter melted. Make sure you get it all because it's not very much. And then the sugar. The sugar is, let's see, it's 1 tablespoon of butter, and the white sugar is 1.5 tablespoons, and the brown sugar is 1 tablespoon. So it's telling both sugars. So that's the white sugar, and that's 1.5 tablespoons. And then for the brown sugar, it's 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now, after that, it says to mix those together really well. Chop up anything that needs to be chopped up, mostly the brown sugar. And just keep mixing them. Okay, after that we're going to add salt, vanilla, and egg yolk. And for the salt, it's just a teaspoon or a pinch.
I can't wait to eat the cookies.
That's more than a pinch. Pour the rest out. And then that was a pinch of salt, 2 drops of vanilla extract. 1, 2. I like vanilla. And then the yolk. So I have this handy little gadget. It allows you to put this on the side and then crack the egg, and it'll hold the yolk, and then all you want is yolk. You don't want the little white stuff. So what I think I'm going to do is this, because I don't want the white stuff. We're going to go like this. And crack it, and this will just take the yolk and let everything else go through it. Okay, shake it out. See, just the yolk, and it says add just the yolk. So we're doing that. Now it says to stir really, really well. More looking like cookie dough. Okay, and then the other thing is, after that we're to stir in the flour. So the flour is 2 cups, I believe, but let me double check. Yep, 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. So find your tablespoons, make 2 heaping ones of it. 1 and 2. So, and then it says stir that up and get that going. Mind you, this the picture looks like one big cookie that you made with this. And then it says for extra that you can add in ice cream at there. Okay, then it says to get your little M&Ms, and you're gonna fold them in 1, two. Yeah, throw them all in. Okay, and you're gonna stir gently and kind of fold them in. Once you have this done, it says to grab it out of the bowl, kind of put it together into like a meatball, if you want to, like a little ball. Make sure you got everything out of your bowl, especially the M&Ms. Okay, roll that together, and then what it says is kind of like flatten it out like a hamburger, I guess. And then you're gonna put it in your microwave safe dish. Can't have anything but microwave safe. Don't want anything happening to your little cookie that you've been doing. And it says to put it in, I believe for, yep, 1 minute and 30 seconds or 90 seconds into your microwave. 1 and add 30. So in 1.5 minutes, we should be able to see all these yummy treats. I will be right back to show you. Hi guys, we're back. It took about 90 seconds, exactly like the recipe said, and here it is. Little microwave cookie. Now it says to let it cool off, and then you take it out and put it on a plate with some ice cream, or just add the ice cream right to your little bowl. So I hope you guys try this out, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.